Alright friends, today we are going to make a Father's Day card.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. It's going to be a lot of fun. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
Yeah.
First, we're going to take the top of our paper and we're going to line it up with the bottom edge and crease it down. Then we're going to twist it this way so that when you open it, it's like a book. A really small book.
Yes.
With only one page.
Oh.
Now we're ready to draw with our markers, but our friends could use something different, like a pencil or even a crayon. Let's draw our rock first. And this is a really fun part because you don't have to draw like me. You could change the shape of your rock. I'm gonna make it like that. I like your rock. It's wiggly. That's awesome. And I love that it's a different shape. And it's okay that our drawings look different because the most important thing is
to have fun and practice.
Yes, have fun and practice. Okay, now let's make our rock look really cool. We're going to draw a straight line for the top of our sunglasses. And then we're going to draw a letter U on one side and another letter U on the other side. And we can connect them in the middle. And then let's color in our sunglasses. We also added reflections to our sunglasses, but that part we sped up. So if you need extra time, our friends can do what?
Pause the video.
Yeah. Now let's draw our rock's mouth. I'm going to draw it open because the rock is singing. And then we can add a tongue inside. Now we need to give our rock an instrument. What should it play?
A guitar.
A guitar. Let's do it. A rock and roll guitar. I'm going to draw a oval shape or circle shape. Maybe it's a banjo. And we could also draw a circle on the inside. And then let's draw two lines coming out. And then we could also draw at the end, let's connect. And then let's draw a crazy shape on the end of our guitar. Now we need to add the strings. I'm going to draw two lines coming down and connecting to the circle. Oh, let's go past the circle, like how you did it. And then we're going to draw another one. Oh, that looks really cool. You're adding another string.
I can't fit it.
That's okay. Oh, and then let's add two little, or three. We could do three little dashes on the top and the bottom. Ah, that's a really awesome guitar or banjo. And let's draw the arm bending and then coming in to play. Yes, and then we're going to draw a circle at the end and color it in for the hand. And then let's draw the other arm coming down and back up. So you could start here or you could, yes, and there you go, and then back up.
This?
Yeah, and then right at the end, you could draw a circle so that it looks like it's hanging on to, yes, the guitar. We finished drawing our rock, but let's add some words to our card. We're gonna draw or write the words you and rock. So let's start up here and we'll add the word you. So first, I'm gonna draw the center letter. I know this is weird, but I'm gonna draw or write an O. Then over here, we can write the letter U. And then over here, we're gonna write the letter Y. That's a little trick on how to center the word you on your card. So it's right in the middle. Okay, now let's do the same thing down here for the word rock, but there's no letter in the middle. It's a space. So we're gonna pretend this is the middle, and we're gonna write the letter C right next to the center. And then we can write the next letter, K. And then over here, we're gonna write the letter O. And the last or first letter, R. Oh, we could also add an exclamation mark to finish. That looks awesome, except we're not completely done.
We still need color.
Yes, this part will speed up, but you can pause the video at the end and take extra time to color your drawings. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Father's Day cards, and I especially love yours.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Aw, thanks. We also added extra details like notes, which I think makes it perfect.
Yes.
You can pause the video right now to finish coloring your drawings. You can even add outlines around your words and even the rock.
You can change the colors too.
Oh yeah, that would be awesome. Oh, even add more rocks and it could be a whole band.
Don't forget to add a message inside.
Oh yeah, you could open it up and then write a message to the person you're gonna give it to. If you're giving it to your dad, that would be cool. But you could also give this card to a grandpa, an uncle, or maybe even an older brother.
Yeah, we hope you have fun making a Father's Day card with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.